This is the story of the development of checkpoint inhibitors, a new class of treatments that has revolutionized cancer care, made possible by NCI. In the 1990s, researcher Dr. James Allison and others, supported directly by NCI grants, ran experiments showing that a protein, CTLA4, acts as a brake on the immune system. When they blocked that brake in lab experiments, they found that the immune system attacked and cleared tumors. Around the same time, with support from NCI, Dr. Tasuko Honjo and colleagues began studying another protein on immune cells called PD-1. Together, their work laid the foundation for an entirely new class of cancer therapy built on years of NCI-supported foundational and translational research. Their discoveries earned them the Nobel Prize in 2018. In 2011, a new drug called pembrolizumab was the first to be given to patients with advanced melanoma. NCI-supported clinical investigators, including Dr. Anthony Rebus, saw something remarkable. In some patients, tumors shrank dramatically. In others, they went away completely. Those clinical trial findings helped lead to rapid FDA approval in 2014. But NCI's investment did not stop there. Johns Hopkins led a landmark trial, proving that checkpoint inhibitors work across cancers that share a specific genetic characteristic. In 2017, for the first time ever, a cancer drug was approved based on a tumor's genetic biomarker, not the organ it came from. Partners across academia, foundations, and the biotech and pharmaceutical industries helped bring these discoveries to patients.
It was stage 3B, non-small cell carcinoma. I want to say I was on the pembro maybe 6 months. And as you go along and they start taking more scans and they say, okay, looks like we're shrinking, it's shrinking, and then all of a sudden it's gone. It's a great relief.
Pembrolizumab is now approved for more than 43 cancer settings. Stories like this are possible because of decades of research supported by NCI. From the beginning, behind that single breakthrough was a single great idea and a single NCI grant. It's a testament to the long arc of cancer research supported by NCI, support that carries on, reducing the suffering of cancer to this day.